Today, I'll show you how to create a professional quote in Zoho Books. Like and subscribe for more quick Zoho tips. Start by logging into Zoho Books and clicking Sales in the left sidebar. Then select Quotes. Click the plus new button at the top right to create a fresh quote. First, choose your customer from the drop-down. Zoho Books will auto-generate a quote number, but you can customize it if needed. Add a reference number if relevant. Next, enter the item details, description, quantity and rates for each product or service. Include terms and conditions and set an expiry date to guide timely responses. You can also attach any supporting documents, like brochures or project files. Once everything looks good, either save as draft to review later or save and send to immediately email it to your client. And that's it. Your quote is ready, professional and sent, all in just a few clicks.